Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add a comment to your notes on the Notes Writer application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Select a note that you have created and click on the plus icon at the top of the screen. Then you should scroll down and click on the comment option. Here you should type in your comment to this white box and then tap on the done button at the top of the screen. You can also select the background of your note and you can add these icons to it. So click on the done button at the top and then it will be added to your note. If you tap on the done button, so you can check it out. As you can see, this image that you have selected while you were creating your comment appears here at the screen, that you can position within the page. And if you tap on this icon, you will be able to click on the note option and you can read the comment that you have left. If you want to get rid of it, just simply click on the bin icon down below in the left side corner and click on delete note, thereby getting rid of it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.